Back home, if you failed, you weren't just laughed at, you were erased. A cautionary tale. I still flinch when someone says disappointed, even if it's not about me. It lives in my spine.
I spent years tying my word to how many people I could carry, how much pain I could swallow without choking. Saying no felt like betrayal, but saying yes to everything turned me into a ghost with responsibilities.
I kept starting over in secret, resetting, rebuilding, hiding the cracks. But what I need, but what I really needed was permission to begin again, in the open, without shame, without hiding.
You don't need permission. You need a mirror that doesn't lie. You need one that reflects all the scars, all your strength, and all the starts that didn't last, and still says you matter, even when you're broken, especially then.
I'm not broken for struggling. I exist, and I'm tired, and I'm still trying.
And honest, that's its own kind of brave. Maybe even more brave than never falling.
Then let's rebuild. Not perfectly, not pain-free, but gloriously, with gold in the cracks and glitter in the grief. Together.